When steaming eggs, don't put the egg mixture into the steamer rack right away. Doing so will make the eggs tough and full of spongy holes like a honeycomb. Today I'm going to share with you the proper way to make it. If you follow this method, the egg will be bouncy like jelly, very delicious, smooth, and even softer than tofu. Let's get started. Prepare the number of eggs according to your needs. Remember to wash them thoroughly to ensure safety and convenience. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl. To steam them, you should use chicken eggs because they have better aroma and flavor. Don't throw away the eggshells, we can use them later. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the egg bowl. Then whisk the eggs thoroughly until the whites and yolks are completely blended and the salt has dissolved. Why add salt? First, it adds a slight salty flavor and enhances the rich taste of the steamed eggs. Second, it promotes protein coagulation in the eggs. This helps the eggs achieve a texture similar to custards. Continue stirring evenly in the same direction until small bubbles appear. You know it's ready when you lift your whisk and there are no clumps of egg left. The more thoroughly you beat the eggs, the softer and smoother the steamed egg will be. Now, prepare water that is at least 40 degrees Celsius. If the water is too cold, your steamed egg will develop many porous holes, like a honeycomb. This is a detail that many people overlook, and it's what causes the steamed egg to become spongy or holy. Temperature isn't the only thing that matters. The amount of liquid is also very important. To make delicious steamed eggs, you should use an amount of water that is 1.5 to 2 times the amount of egg. If you don't have a kitchen scale, you can use eggshells as a reference. For 1 egg, choose about 3 to 4 halves of larger eggshells for your water volume. For 3 eggs, that means roughly 9 to 12 halves. Be careful so you don't burn yourself with the hot water. After adding enough warm water, whisk the egg mixture for at least 45 seconds. This prevents the layers of egg from separating and helps them set properly. Next, strain the egg mixture through a fine sieve to remove any air bubbles and any clumps of egg. This step will make the steamed egg much softer and smoother. If there are still many bubbles or strands of egg remaining, you can strain it again. You will see many bubbles on the surface. Use a spoon to scoop them all out. This is an important step to ensure your steamed egg is perfectly smooth and pore-free. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. I really appreciate your support. Now prepare your steamer basket, add water and bring it to a boil. When the water boils, place the bowl of eggs into the steamer. Cover the egg bowl with a plate so that condensed steam doesn't drip onto the mixture. Place the lid on the steamer pot. Reduce the heat to low and steam for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick your egg mixture is. Remember to keep the heat low. Otherwise, the eggs won't cook evenly. They might be watery and won't set properly. Don't rush to use high heat, or you will ruin the entire batch of steamed eggs. Don't steam the eggs for too long. If you oversteam them, the flavor will diminish and they won't be soft anymore. Once the steaming time is up, lift off the lid, remove the plate, and then take out the bowl of steamed eggs. Right now, the eggs are very smooth and tender. Steaming them this way makes them incredibly soft with a nice slight chewiness. Now you can either cut the eggs into cubes with a knife or scoop them out with a spoon, depending on your preference. Look at this, I can easily cut the egg into perfectly neat little cubes with a sharp knife. The egg has reached perfect smoothness and tenderness, and it's cut into perfect little cubes. Add a little cooking oil and use a spoon to spread the oil evenly over the egg bowl. Next, we'll add some soy sauce to enhance the savory flavor of this steamed egg dish. You can also adjust the seasoning to suit your taste. Finally, sprinkle some chopped scallions on top for garnish. The delicious steamed egg dish is ready to enjoy. It's silky smooth without any air bubbles or honeycomb texture, and it melts right in your mouth. This dish is especially loved by both children and the elderly because it's so easy to eat. If you prefer a softer, creamier or richer custardy texture, you can substitute the water with fresh milk and follow the exact same method. Once you've cracked the eggs into your measuring cup, feel free to add sugar if you want a sweeter version, but otherwise you can skip it. Beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully incorporated and the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, pour the unsweetened fresh milk into the pot and heat it gently. If you prefer a richer flavor, use whole cream milk. Stir continuously to prevent the milk from burning or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Heat the milk until you see steam rising. Do not boil it. Now pour the hot milk into the egg mixture. For this amount of eggs, I use about 300 milliliters of milk, keeping a ratio that is 1.5 to 2 times the volume of the eggs. Whisk the eggs and milk thoroughly until they are completely combined. Strain the egg milk mixture through a fine sieve 1 or 2 times to remove air bubbles and any undissolved egg whites. This helps achieve a velvety smooth texture. By replacing water with fresh milk, your steamed custard will become more fragrant, richer, and higher in protein and calcium. Don't forget to skim off the foam so that the final dish is soft, smooth, and not porous. Are egg dishes common where you live? Please let me know in the comments below. Then place the mixture into the steamer. For larger batches, steam over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes until the eggs are fully cooked and still retain a soft texture. When the time is up, let's take a look at the results. The steamed eggs have a fragrant, creamy aroma of milk. The texture is smooth like egg custard. It's very tender and even softer than tofu. These milk-steamed eggs have a light richness and gentle sweetness that children especially love. When eaten hot, they feel warm and melt in your mouth. They are delicate and easy to eat, with a mild and pleasant flavor. This dish is particularly good for stimulating the appetite of both children and the elderly. To check how smooth and springy the egg is, you can gently blow into the bowl of steamed eggs several times. As you can see, those little ripples spreading across the surface show that the texture of the egg is incredibly silky and delightfully bouncy. The steamed egg layer isn't cracked at all. It still holds its shape, which proves how perfectly cohesive it is. Now let's use a spoon to enjoy this tempting milk-steamed egg dish. When you gently scoop up a piece of the egg, you will feel how melt in your mouth soft it is right on your tongue. The rich creaminess of the milk blending with the fragrant, savory taste of the eggs creates an incredibly captivating meal. Can't you tell? This dish is both smooth and slightly springy. It's truly irresistible. It's delicious, isn't it? It's a simple dish that brings absolute satisfaction. Let's take another look at this perfect steamed egg dish. Remember to keep in mind all the tips I mentioned for making this perfect steamed egg with water or milk. Remember that to make this steamed egg dish, you will need water or milk at 40 degrees Celsius or higher, and use a quantity of 1.5 to 2 times the amount of eggs. Then steam it over low heat for perfect results. If you like, give it a try right away. I'm sure you'll love it. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments below. If you found the video interesting, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.